We begin with this. Rescue crews are searching for people trapped in the rubble after a deadly earthquake hit one of the world's most exotic tourist destinations local time last night. More than 90 people are dead. Hundreds more are injured.
Well, more than 90 people are dead and thousands homeless after a magnitude 7 earthquake rocked the Indonesian island of...
Now to Indonesia, where earthquake rescue efforts are paying off as crews battle against the clock to find survivors beneath the rubble.
Pepper would like to know what is inside George's box.
It's George's box.
Yeah.
Buddy puzzles. Splish, splash, splash, splish.
Okay, I just cannot found a better way to put my hair. This is the best I can have for my hair. Curly hair problem. Anyway, so today we're in the mall again. If you're watching my video, I'm always in the mall, like I swear. Literally, it's a problem. Okay, so like what I said, back in the mall. I did my makeup today. Not that bad. I never do winged eyeliner, so this is like my first time. Not my first time, but like once in a year I do wing eyeliner. If you're an OG watcher of my vlog, I think it was my first vlog, I talk about this drink called Ice Chendol. Literally the best thing ever. It's like, it tops Starbucks and everything. It's like better than Starbucks, literally. If you ever go to Indonesia, you should try Ice Chendol. So it's like this little green thing. Ini dibuat dari apa, Mi? Chendol. So that it's... Why is the freaking lightning is so bad? there's that. You can't really see it. That. And my mom says it's made out of flour, like a special flour. I don't really know what it's called, but so yeah. There's waiters watching me, so I need to stop. And my lips are crusty as fuck. Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. No. These ones are nicer. Feel it after midnight, a feeling that you can't find my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is a woman. Okay, anywho's. Ew, the sun is like blazing. Have you guys listened to Ariana's new album, Sweetener? Let me know. It's such a bomb album. I wish I could put like snippet, but I don't want to get copyrighted. But literally, it's like the best album that Ariana's have made. Like her album in general, I love like everything that Ariana's have put out, but this album is one of the best. Like, if you guys have heard Sweetener's album, let me know which song is your favorite in the comments. Anyway, what does this turn into a review? If you're wondering why the lightning changed, because my phone died and it's charging right now. Anyway, so what I was gonna say? I don't know if I have said it in a part of this video, but basically, I live in Bali. Every day, not every day, every other day, there's an earthquake. And you might think, what? Yeah, we had, I think it was like on the 19th of August, we have 4 earthquakes in a day. And it was like 8 magnitude, that's the word. So we had like 4 earthquakes in a day. It was like huge.
If we
around midnight, and we were like almost sleeping, and the house was just shaking. Our door were like banging because it was like shaking so hard that it was literally feel like it's gonna fall off, and it feels really scary. So basically, we have an island, and it's called Lombok. If you live in Indonesia, you probably know. So Lombok has been earthquake every day. There's earthquake. There is tornado. It was everything. Like everything that you can think of that is bad is happening in Lombok, and I feel really bad for all the people, all the families that live there. Like, it's terrible for them, and all the people like around the world get the news that it was in Bali for some reasons, and like everybody doesn't want to come to Bali. Like, I follow a lot of people, like a lot of celebrities and YouTube influencers and stuff like that. They literally said, oh, sorry guys, like I'm not coming to Bali, I canceled my flight because there's like this earthquake things going on. It's true that we had an earthquake like almost every day. It's not coming from Bali, it's coming from Lombok. For now, Bali, it's still safe in my opinion. Aside from the earthquake, nothing really happens. It's inconvenient, but like we're not hurt in Bali. So I just want to let you guys know that Bali and the people in Bali are safe. I feel so bad for all the people in Lombok, like their families, and seeing pictures like off of social media. It's really, really heartbreaking for me because I live just like across the island. So yeah, basically that's what's been going on. There's no warning for tsunami for now. A week ago there were warning for tsunami, which is a little like scary. But for now it's over, the warning for tsunami. So I hope that it will be over really soon. So if you guys are planning a trip to Bali anytime soon, maybe in a couple weeks, couple months, please just come to Bali. It is a really beautiful island and it's totally safe, really sunshine and everything. You can go to the beach and stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. I have like people asking me on my Instagram, where do I live? If you don't see my Instagram bio, I live in Bali, and if people are like, oh my god, you live in such a beautiful country or such a beautiful island, it's because I live in Bali and it's really, really nice. So yeah.
The next day.
Right on my freaking face. And then I'm just like vlogging like bras. Might be not a big deal, but we live in Bali and this is the first pink that exists in Bali, am I right? It's a big deal for us. Cute, isn't it?
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye. The always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye. I miss the sweet Kanye, chop up the beats Kanye. I gotta say, at that time I'd like to meet Kanye. See, I invented Kanye. What if Kanye made a song about Kanye? Call I miss the old Kanye.